Hello my hair warriors, it's Aaron O'Brien here, and today we are going to be talking about hair systems, but not just any hair system, it's the clip-in hair system from Lordhair.com. No, this is not a snap-on Lego wig. This is something seamless and fantastic for a girl on the go, or a guy. And these are perfect. Let's go talk about them and tell you exactly what to do. Yes, I am bald and beautiful, but I still like to wear a hair system. We have our beautiful clip-in system here. You can see it has clips all around the perimeter of this beautiful lace piece. And it's so simple to use, it's gonna blow you away. So sometimes in between, I don't like to wear glue all the time, so I keep this little handy number in one of my cupboards so I can use if I ever just want to just clip and go. If you want a little bit more security, you can take tape. You can purchase these on Lordhair.com. Make sure that they are the ones that you can use on lace systems, so it adheres properly to the lace and to your head. So you're basically gonna place this around the front of the system, just like this. Peel back the tape, and then that's going to be placed on the front of the hairline to make sure that it's super secure. Then you are going to take your clips and you're going to adhere them to the sides and the back of your head to make sure that you do have that extra security. If you want, you can place a little bit of tape just down the middle of the system to give a bit more security if it is a windy day and you don't want it to completely blow off your head. So make sure that you have it super secure. So this isn't just perfect yet to put on my head, so I am gonna cut it because right now it doesn't look that sexy and all I wanna be is sexy. So I'm gonna go cut this and come right back. Now that I have my system styled and cut to perfection, it's time to put it right onto the scalp. So this is super easy to put on. I have my glue around the hairline. So you're gonna make sure that you center this off before you place it on, grabbing the two corners and placing it right in front where you need it. Look in the mirror, I'm looking in one right now, and make sure it's nice and centered. Put pressure right on the front around the hairline to make sure it really adheres to the hair. Then you're gonna take the sides and clip them in around the head and into your existing hair. I'd like to have 3 clips on either side and 3 clips on the back to make sure that it's nice and secure. Also, I have tape here just in the center. Make sure that you do press down on that. This is just to give you extra security, and this can be changed on the daily. You don't have to place too much tape, maybe 1 piece here and then just 1 piece down the center, so it's easy to take on and put off. But make sure that you're using tape that work really well with lace systems. When styling, make sure that you do not pull or tug on the hair too much, because don't forget, this is adhered to your natural hair. But I think it looks really good. I think I'm ready to go. I'm ready to meet up with my girlfriend and go out for dinner. And yeah, I feel like the wind's not gonna blow me away. I hope you like it. See you soon. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget my amazing sponsors at Lordhair.com. They make all these beautiful and fabulous systems. Now that you have your clip-in on, you're ready to go. We're about to take over the world. See you soon. Bye.